Hello friends, today I am going to teach how to draw a cell type of transformer. For this, first you need to open AutoCAD. Now set it for A4 size. So for that type limits, enter 0, 0, enter 297, 210, enter zoom, enter all, enter. Now select units, type units, enter. So select millimeter, click OK. Now draw vertical and horizontal line from the drawing toolbar. In the problem statement, he has given width of the central limb is equal to 14 centimeter divided by 2, so that will be 7. Offset, enter, type 7, enter, select vertical line as a reference, click here, next again type offset, enter, overall height of the core h is equal to 38, 38 divided by 2, that will be 19, enter, select horizontal line as a reference, click upward and click downward. Again type offset, enter, overall width of the core W is equal to 54, 54 divided by 2, so that will be 27, enter, select vertical line as a reference, click here, click to the left side and click to the right side. Now select all, trim this portion, window dimension he has given, that is 13 cross 24 centimeter. So width of the window is 13, height of the window is 24. So type offset. Now width of the window is 13. So here you should not divide it by 2. So let it be 13. Enter. Select this line as a reference. Click here. And this line as a reference. Click here. Next type offset. Enter. Window height he has given, that is 24 divided by 2. So that will be 12. Enter. Select horizontal line as a reference. Click upward and click downward. Now select all. Control A to select all. Select this trim command. Trim this portion. Delete this. Now draw somewhere here one horizontal line. Overall depth of the core he has given, that is equal to 37. 37 divided by 2. So that will be 18.5. Offset. Enter. 18.5. Enter. Select this line as a reference. Click upward and click downward. Now rectangle coil dimension he has given, inside rectangle dimension that will be 15 cross 41, outside rectangle dimension that is 35 cross 61. Now let us draw this coil first. Select rectangle, click somewhere here, type D, enter. Now length of the inside rectangle is 15, enter. Breadth is, or width is 41, enter. So this is the rectangle. Next, one more rectangle. So for this you have to select a rectangle. That dimension he has given, outside dimension, type D, enter. Click somewhere here, type D, enter. Length of the rectangle that is 35, and breadth or width of the rectangle that is 61, enter. So these are the two rectangles. Now we have to keep it here. So for this, first let us draw cross lines by using this line from the drawing toolbar. Draw like this. Select this rectangle, copy the base point, Control V. So this point you need to select as a center of the core. Next, select this, copy the base point, and you need to keep this rectangle here. So these two rectangles are overlapped with each other. Now select Control A, trim these portions. These cross lines you can delete it. Select this, delete these cross lines, Control A, delete this portion. Again Control A, so we can delete these portions. Now extend this portion here. Up to the yoke portion. So from this point extend it up to this here. Now he has given thickness of the coil and insulation between the coils. So alternate layers of LV and HV coils will into place. In between you have to provide insulation. So I will select a top near to the core, the insulation that will be 0.5, offset, enter, 0.5, enter. So select this as a reference, click here, and click here. Now again offset. Next coil dimension he has given, that is 2 cm. So type 2, enter. Select this as a reference, click here. Next again insulation, offset, enter. 1 cm, enter. So select this and this as a reference, offset, enter. Coil dimension, there is 2, thickness is 2, enter. Offset, enter. Insulation thickness 1 cm, enter. Click here, click here. So again coil thickness, offset, enter. 2 cm, enter. Click here, click here. Offset, insulation thickness 1 cm, enter. Click here, click here. Again offset, coil thickness 2 cm, enter. Click here and click here. So this will complete your HV coil, LV coil in between insulation also. Now Control A, trim this portion. Now you have to differentiate LV coil and HV coil by using different insulation. So for this you have to select hatching option. So select here NC31 and let it be 0.5 scale, add peak points, enter. OK, we can reduce it to 0.25. OK, next again we can select HV coil here, NC37, scale will be 0.25, add peak points, select this rectangles, enter. OK, now insulation part, again select hatch. So here you have to select other predefined, in that solid hatch you have to select, add peak points. So this point you have to select for the insulation portion, enter. OK, so this is one portion of your coil. So now you have to go for mirror of this portion. So select this thing, entire coil portion, enter. Go for the mirror of this one by selecting center portion of the transformer as a reference, click here, enter. So this is the entire shell type of transformer. Sectional elevation. So next you need to draw sectional plan. Here you have to complete. Now go for hatching. You can select NC31, add peak point, So this is the core portion. Let it be 0.5. Next you have to hatch coil portion. So let us take NC 37.5, add peak points, enter, OK. Now first we'll hatch insulation portion here. Hatch insulation portion by selecting other predefined, in that select solid, add peak point, so select hatching here. So this is the hatching of coil. I will change this scale to 0.5. Now it's a complete sectional plan of shell type transformer, and this will be the elevation of shell type transformer. Now let us mark all the dimension. Width of the center limb, height of the core, depth of the core, width of the core, window width 13, window height 24. So like this we can show all the dimension by using dimension from the toolbar. So this is about your shell type of transformer. Thank you for watching this video.